everybody, it's ICJ Original in the cut. You already know what's up. That's right. You see the game. You see the title. That's right. It's a horror game. You know what that means. You gotta close the windows. Gotta close the blinds. Gotta close all them shits. Best believe you better be watching this at night. Best believe I'm playing this at night. I'm lying my ass off, bruh. It's in the middle of the day. It's 1 p.m. About to say a.m. Shit, it could be 1 a.m. where you at, right? But anyway, that's besides the point. Let's get to it. All right, so it just took me in here, right? What y'all snacking on? I'm eating some chips. I was eating some chips, but like the healthy kind, like the olive oil induced ass chips. You know what I mean? Less sodium, like the sugar and all that. But anyway, that's besides the point. So straight to business. This is not called Play the Tape. It is called Psychopathic something. Right? We'll see the title. But the title's already on the title of it. So normal difficulty. Oh, there's no easy. Damn. Okay, so the psychopath will move normally. 5 locks in the... Okay, the floor doesn't creak. Practice mode. Extra locks. Dark mode. Let's just play regularly. You know what I mean? Please stand by. That's it.
I need to find a way out.
Okay.
Gotta be quiet though.
Whoa. Why is my sense like so ass? Hold on. What? Ginger counter? What is this? Drawer. Open? Oh wait, okay. What the controls is? Interact is E. Shoot. What is shoot? A left mouse button. Alright. Q unhide. Wait. Okay. Close that. Close them. I can't. What is this? A generator? I'm about to generate some shits. I mean, oh, I can have the flashlight. How we holding both? All right. Damn. All right. Some Picasso. Cool. Picasso. Oh. Yup. Crouch. That's right. You gotta crouch. Alright, so he's a painter. Peyton Manny. Call him Peyton Man. Alright. Oh. I don't like bugs. Not at all. How do you... This gonna be a long intro. Or a long beginning. 5 keys. I gotta find 5 keys. That's 1. Got the whip. Let's go. Where the garage at? Let's go. We out. That's it. Come on. Hey, he's coming. Hey. Oh. I'm in the whip. Hey. There's a Big Mac on the table. I just bought it. I mean, so. Damn, alright, so you just with me every step of the way? Oh, fucking big back Buick. Freaking, oh man. Mr. Clean Cousin Alabama. I don't know what I'm saying, bro. I mean, you look great. Can we talk about this? Like, I got food in the truck. See, if you go out that door, there's food there. Meaning, can I drop the key? What if I could? Bitch, I drive manual. I know how to drive. Come on, what is this? If you don't start the whip, can I not? Like, do I have to die? Oh, I dropped it. Oh, nah. Can we interact? Why am I stuck in here? I mean, like, does he not leave? Yeah, this is some bullshit. It is some bullshit, bro. Yep, this is some bullshit. Oh, right here. Cool. Was that meant to happen? That was the question. Was that meant to? Bottle. Bottle of what? Can do what? I need this again. Interact, unhide, drop. What is shoot? Resume. I can't shoot the can. Okay, that's drop. Do we? This game's confusing as hell, bro. Tongs? Is that tongs? Why do we need tongs? Why don't I get a hammer? Why do we need tongs? We use that from the barbecue and stuff. Oh nah. Oh nah. Are you serious? How? You gotta be joking. 1, 2, master key, entrance key, tongs too. This is a long ass game, man. Oh cool. What's your name? Is Jin? Right.
Okay.
Closet door.
Don't panic. I will get out of here.
Oh, they got voice acting. They got voice acting. That fat ass go right there. Damn. All right, it's one of these type of games. These type of games really test your patience. It was in here, right?
You cannot hide from me.
Oh my god.
Fuck.
I got the tongs. Wait, is he coming? Come here. What your stupid ass gonna do, huh? Huh? Tell me this. Tell me this. Tell me this. Tell me this, son. Son, you stupid. Stupid, bruh. What is this? Say. Memorize it. Memorize it. I can't even read that. Closet door. Okay, I found the tongs. I know where the tongs is. Let me just explore. Okay. Can grab that knife. You feel me? Grab that knife and just bop. And not get that shit confused, man. Oh, I know his fridge loaded. I know that. I know that for a fact. I know his fridge packed. See, this a facade. This a guide. See, this is what happened. This is what happens. My fault, bro. I ain't taking no food. I am not taking no food, bro. Don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. Don't get twisted, son. Come on. Your favorite couch. I bet you sit right there. Come on. So stupid ass. Oh, I hate it. Oh, this is some bullshit. Now he got traps and stuff. Oh my god. I'm about ready to restart the game because I know some cheats now. I got some insight. Was it I busted right? Go see. I grabbed the tongs. Oh my gosh, man. Do something. Do you not see I'm trying? This is upstairs, bro. Oh my god, he hit the tongs, huh? Oh my lord. Why do I need an EF? You know what I'm sensing? I'm sensing some bullshit, bruh. I'm sensing some major so stupid ass, man. I'm sensing some major bullshit from you, bruh. He gonna put a trap here. That's what he's gonna do. He gonna put it. Can you not glitch out or something with your big back ass, bro? Like, what if I take you to Wendy's? You like Wendy's? What do you like? His name gotta be Joe. His name gotta be Joe or some shit. How did I make him glitch out? Oh, he came on this side, huh? He came on this side. Bro, this dude is actually so annoying. I don't care, bro. I could outrun his ass. See? Can I call the cops, please? Of course. Part of the You don't understand how happy I saw this? I got when I saw... What is this? We just gotta smack it like that? So fat ass. He can't fit through here. You bullshit me if he can fit through here. Straight line if you tell me he can fit through here. No. Well, I mean, he's in here now. What you gonna do? Tell me. Tell me what you gonna do. So dumb. I don't need these meters. What? Poltergeist test book. I ain't gonna lie, I found a cheat. I love when I found a cheat. Okay, so if I just leave all my stuff here, I'm gonna just put all my stuff here and just book it. Cause I know for a fact he can't come up here with this thick ass. He's coming. He's coming up the stairs. If not, he's probably over there. He's probably already putting down another trap. I'll just wait it out. I'll just wait it out. What do you wanna do? I don't like this guy, bro. What a fucking switchies your ass, bitch. Just unload the whole damn clip on this shit right here, right on that dome piece, right? Quit playing with me, bro. Wait till I find it. Wait till I find this, man. On everything I'll do is on everything. I'm itching to shoot, man. Itching to shoot. Give me a reason, bro. Give me a damn reason. See that mark right there? Straight there.
2,000 years later.
Hide! Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, man. He's on this other side. You heard that growl, that snarkle, that pig noise? Roadhog, cousin, twin sister ass, distant relative, kin. That's what he is. I hope his AI told his ass to go down. Oh my god. This is some fire. Can I not? Stupid ass. I've not found Jack, bruh. These drawers had nothing. Same thing with that.
Gotcha.
This is my favorite game. This is my favorite game, bro. I'm telling you, right, this is my favorite game. Who is you? Oh, wanna be Jigsaw head ass. I'm gonna put you on the news, bro. I'm gonna put you on KCRA3. Wanna be Jigsaw Roadhog? Wanna be? Look at some weird shit, bro. That's some weird shit. I can't wait to Swiss cheese his ass. Yee!
Gotcha.
You can't go back! You can't go... I'm this close. Okay, so there's nothing in the kitchen. Alright, we use the light, but there's nothing in the kitchen. You can't go fucking back, bro.
Fuck.
What's that noise?
Fuck you, bro. On everything. Come here. Fat ass. Fat ass. Where am I? Go. Just go, bro. Just go. Tongs. I thought. Okay, they're in the same spot. You know what? Which side are you coming from? Son? 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 Hey, what you gonna do? You can't do jack, your dumbass. I got this though. Yup. He can't come here. I spawn here. Oh my lord, bro. Watch out for that. Psych. I got it. I got it. I got it. Come here. Come this side, bitch. Son. I know you have difficulties. I know you have difficulties. I seen your difficulties. I seen his difficulties. I seen it. I'm adapting. I'm adapting. I'm adapting. I'm adapting. I oughta put my middle finger on. You can't see me. Stupid Weight Watcher. I gotta go. I gotta go. Yeah, I feel safe in here. Oh, where's the gun at? Gun at. Where's the gun at? What can I do with this, bro? Oh, he put it right on the step case. I think I'm gonna have to take one for the team and just like.
Plug. Now what the hell? What?
Oh no! This can't be real. That shit just can't be. Can I? That can't be real. That can't be real. That just happened, bro. That's just not real. That shit is not real. That shit is just not real. Cool. This is dungeon. All right. Oh my lord! I found it.
Gotcha.
Part of me knew this was gonna happen. Part of me knew as soon as I stepped into the little sex dungeon, I knew that shit was gonna happen, bro. Right now, I lost that, huh? I lost that. Okay, good. The good news is I know where both those things are. So if I could do a full reset, the gun thing is gonna be upstairs. Part of that gun is gonna be upstairs too. Bitch ass promotion. The room on the far end. That's where I gotta go. I gotta go to the room on the far end. Because once I go there, I guarantee you I'm going to find something I need in that room. I don't know what happens when the items like you have gets taken away, but... Don't think, go. Just go. Don't even think, just go. Don't even think, just go. Don't even think, just go. Safety. Part of me wants to get rid of that. Did I get rid of the step case trap? Yep, see, here he comes, here he comes. Okay, so, as soon as you grab something, hide. That's what happens. As soon as you grab something, you gotta hide. You gotta book it. You gotta book it to your safety. There's a safety downstairs in the kitchen. There's a garage. And it goes with this trap. And there's a safety up here. Can I jump, like, to alert him or something? Good. This is what I need. I found the rhythm. I found the rhythm. The rhythm of the night. I found that. There's nothing in there. Like, hello? There's nothing in here. Steal that bitch alone. He gonna get angry. Wait, I've seen. That's Michael Meyer Daddy on Dash Game Channel, right? That's what it is, huh?
Original recipe.
I don't see the problem is him putting down that shit. What is that? How do I need this? I'm stuck. This side, this side, this side. Remember E. Remember E. E! Ooh, I was right. Now I gotta go upstairs. No! Wait, just trigger it. Nah, I don't want to trigger a trap. That's too risky. Triggering trap would be too... I have an idea. I have an idea. Maybe. You know, don't let that glitch out. Do not let this glitch out. Gently throw that piece, bro. He heard that. He did. Take it. Use it. Oh my god. Why do I need wood? What is wood gonna do? Look at him. Wait, he went in that room. Why? You must have put something. Swiss cheese over this, man. Stop fucking playing with me, bro. Come over, bro. Can't you see I'm trying to escape? I've looked all over this fuck ass house. Where's the kerosene? I'm about to let this shit burn. The king in it. I'ma lock the door, see how he feels. I did have a lot of stuff going though. I ain't gonna lie, I did keep it on. Is this night 2? 3, shit. I don't understand where everything is. There's like nothing in here. I know they're not gonna put him in here when he spawns. That just wouldn't make any sense. Stop with this trap bullshit. I had the pliers. Talking about some, you will need the pliers to cut. Man. No, see, when he goes in that room, it's like pointless because he could just see across. You know what? While his fat ass, like, just walks around, let me just, like, like, what do you want me to do, bro? Like, the rate you moving? Alright, so peep this, my guys. My boys. My peoples. Alright, so check it out. Apparently, I could do that. You see how dumb that is? You mean to tell me I can do that all this time without realizing? Like, the controls, what I would rate it out of 5.
1 eternity later.
Now I click E and stuff. So. This is what you do. Found that. Now we wait. And we wait. Nope. Don't worry. I'm gonna skip this. Look at this. That's right. I tutorialed it. I'm gonna lie. But I would not have found that. I would not have found that for the life of me.
Known to let that Mac fly just like my nigga dope.
Oh, you already know what's up.
I say I'm gonna let it.
Now you already know what's up. That's it. I shot you. That was kind of lame. I don't lie, that was kind of lame. Grab that. Grab the toolie. Come here, bro. Three shots in his dome piece, bro. He don't die. Oh, I found a secret, though. I found a secret. The secret's in the bathroom. I gotta go in the bathroom, though. I may have to restart because of the tongs. I can't find the tongs. The hammer. Excuse me, bruh. Cool. I think I gotta restart my boys because I can't find the tongs. I found them. He can't fit through here. Okay, so everything I have is in the basement. Everything I need is in the basement. We need these. Come on, big buddy. Take up so much surface area. Wait. If I'm correct, I can just book it. If I'm correct, I can just book it. If I'm correct, I can just book it. Let me spawn. No, I have the tongs in the last four. Nope. Ooh, all right, this is it, bruh. This is it, my boys. This is it right here. We free, you free. And this horrible ass man, bruh. Come on. Come on. Go upstairs. Go up them stairs. That's what I mean. Yup. Yup. I am not coming back to this. No matter how many likes, no matter how many subs, no matter how many views. I ain't coming back to this.
No, no, no.
For one person, that's pretty good. I do have critiques, but I am not a game designer. I'm gonna keep them shits to myself. But good job, bro. Good job for one person. Keep going. You know what I mean? If you want to do something, keep going. Don't care what nobody say. Look at this dude. He made his own game. I'm playing it. You watching it. Like, do what you want to do. You feel me? That's what I'm doing. That's what you should be doing too. Everybody got their own path. Look at this guy. Doing great. Great game, man. I like it. From the bottom of my heart. You did it by yourself. Doesn't matter what other people think. Doesn't matter if people like it or don't like it. What matters is you did it. That was your goal. That was your dream. So keep doing you and keep going. Anyway, we done. ICJ finishes games. That's right. You heard it here. Eject is probably that. Rome out. What? Oh, what the heck? He Rome? See, he doing the shit in Rome. You feel me? Chase your dreams no matter where you are, no matter what you in, bro. Just try. You don't know what will happen if you don't try. With that being said, my boys, I hope you all enjoyed. I hope everybody had a great time. They took something out of it. They got a good laugh, got a good snack, got a good break. Whatever it may be. ICJ Original. I'll see y'all in the next.